CJ and John. Thank you for meeting me today before class. I wanted to discuss today's lesson and ensure you both understand the key concepts we will be covering. Go.
Morning, Miss Eve. We appreciate the opportunity to go over the lesson in advance.
2, 3, go.
Yes, Miss, thank you. And we want to make sure that we are prepared.
Today we will be discussing the principles of supply and demand, which are fundamental concepts in economics. We will explore how these principles determine prices in the market. Company. Economy pala yun. Go.
Could you give us a brief overview about supply and demand,
CJ, supply refers to the quantity of a good or service that producers are willing and able to sell at various prices, while demand refers to the quantity of a good or service that consumers are willing and able to purchase at various prices. The interaction between supply and demand determines the market price and quantity of goods sold.
Will we be exploring this concept in class today?
Start with a lecture to introduce the basic principles and terminology. Following that, we will analyze some real-world examples to see how supply and demand affect prices in different markets. Finally, we will engage in a group activity where you will be given scenarios to apply these concepts and determine market outcomes. Go.
That sounds
Go.
That sounds great. Are there any specific materials or resources we need to review for class?
Like you to review the chapter on supply and demand in your textbook, specifically pages 45 to 60. Additionally, please take a look at the online articles I shared on our class website, which provide current examples of supply and demand in action.
Will there be any assignments or assessments related to today's lesson?
At the end of the lesson, I will assign a homework task where you will analyze a market of your choice and identify the factors affecting its supply and demand. This will be due next class. Additionally, there will be a short quiz next week to assess your understanding of these concepts.
Understood. We'll make sure to review the materials and be prepared for the lesson.
For the detailed explanation, Miss Kim, we feel more confident about today's class now.
CJ and John, if you have any questions or need further clarifications during the lesson, please feel free to ask. Let's make this a productive and engaging session. Have a great day. Go.
Thank you, Miss Kim. Have a great day.